Welcome to this complete La Spezia Italy travel guide. Nestled on the western coast of Italy, La Spezia is the gem of the Ligurian Sea. Renowned for its rich history and vibrant culture, this city boasts a unique blend of maritime heritage and Italian charm. From ancient castles and naval museums to scenic promenades and bustling shopping streets, La Spezia is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Today we will explore the top 10 attractions that this charming city has to offer. First on our list is the Cinque Terre Gateway. This is no ordinary entrance, my friends, but a portal to an enchanting world. The gateway is the threshold to the Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 fishing villages that are as vibrant as they are quaint. This is where the journey begins, where you step from the bustling city of La Spezia into a realm of serene beauty, steeped in Italian tradition and charm. The Cinque Terre Gateway is more than just a point of entry, it's a promise of what lies beyond. Imagine pastel houses clinging to rugged cliffs, waves lapping at tiny harbors, vineyards stretching as far as the eye can see. Each village within the Cinque Terre has its own unique allure, a distinct personality waiting to be discovered. Whether you're an adventurer seeking the thrill of hiking trails or a romantic longing for sunset views, the Cinque Terre Gateway is your passport to a world of breathtaking beauty and Italian charm. Next up, we have the historic Castello Sanio. This majestic fortress, perched atop a hill, whispers tales from the past. Its history begins in the 14th century when it was constructed as a defensive stronghold. Over the centuries, it has witnessed the rise and fall of numerous empires, each leaving its own indelible mark on its sturdy walls. The castle's architecture is a fascinating blend of Gothic and Renaissance styles, a testament to the various periods it has lived through. Its robust stone walls, cylindrical towers and grand archways are truly a sight to behold, reflecting the artistry and engineering prowess of medieval Italy. Inside the castle, you'll find the Museo Chivico del Castello, a museum that houses a rich collection of archaeological treasures. From ancient Roman artifacts to medieval relics, each exhibit takes you on a journey through time. A trip to Castello Sanio is like stepping back in time. It's not just a castle, it's a time capsule preserving centuries of history within its formidable walls. Our third stop is the Museo Technico Navale. This is not just any maritime museum, but a treasure trove of naval history and technology. Nestled in the heart of La Spezia, the museum boasts a remarkable collection that spans centuries, tracing the evolution of maritime technology from the ancient times to the modern era. Here, you'll encounter a wide array of exhibits, from beautifully crafted ship models to authentic maritime equipment and instruments. The museum also houses a fascinating collection of nautical maps and documents that provide a unique insight into the rich naval past of this coastal city. But the Museo Technico Navale is more than just a collection of artifacts. It's a testament to La Spezia's long-standing relationship with the sea, a history that's deeply intertwined with its cultural and economic fabric. This unique museum offers a window into the city's seafaring soul, making it a captivating stop on your La Spezia journey. For history buffs and maritime enthusiasts, the Museo Technico Navale is a must-visit. Now let's head to the waterfront with a visit to Passeggiata Morin. Imagine a place where the sea air mingles with the aroma of freshly brewed Italian coffee. Welcome to Passeggiata Morin. This waterfront promenade is the beating heart of La Spezia, a rendezvous point for locals and tourists alike. As you stroll along this seaside pathway, you'll be greeted by the sight of yachts bobbing gently in the harbour, set against the backdrop of La Spezia's charming cityscape. The hustle and bustle of the city seem a world away, replaced by the calming rhythm of the waves. But it's not just about the views. Passeggiata Morin offers a plethora of activities. Fancy a boat ride? You're in the right place. Want to sit back with a gelato and people watch? Absolutely, Passeggiata Morin has you covered. It's a place that combines the tranquility of the sea with the vibrancy of Italian life. Passeggiata Morin is the perfect place to unwind and soak in the beauty of La Spezia. Next, we visit the sacred and beautiful church of Santa Maria Assunta. Nestled in the heart of La Spezia, this church is steeped in centuries of history. Its origins date back to the 13th century, serving as a testament to the city's deep-rooted Christian faith. The architecture of Santa Maria Assunta is a delightful blend of Gothic and Renaissance styles, with a touch of the local Ligurian flair. The church's facade, with its intricately carved stone, is a sight to behold, while the interior reveals an array of stunning frescoes and ornate altars. But this church isn't just about its physical beauty. It holds a special place in the hearts of the locals, providing a sanctuary of serenity and reflection. It's a place where the community gathers to celebrate life's milestones, from christenings to weddings, standing as a symbol of unity and faith. A visit to the Church of Santa Maria Assunta is a serene and rewarding experience. Our seventh stop takes us to the Museo Chivico Amadea. This gem of a museum, nestled within the heart of La Spezia, boasts a collection that is nothing short of impressive. From medieval miniatures to ancient Greek vases, the museum holds over 1,000 pieces of art, each with its unique story and charm. The museum itself is steeped in history, housed within the walls of the 17th century Palazzo Campanella. A stroll through its galleries is like a journey back in time, as you find yourself amidst the beauty and grandeur of bygone eras. The museum's collection is a testament to the passion and dedication of its namesake, Amedeo Lear. A native of La Spezia, Lear spent his lifetime collecting these priceless pieces, a passion he later gifted to the city. Among the unique items housed in the museum, the illuminated manuscripts and the collection of Russian icons stand out, offering a rare glimpse into the artistic traditions of the past. Art lovers will find the Museo Civico Amadeo Lear a treasure trove of artistic delights. Next, we head outdoors to the beautiful Giardini Pubblici. The public gardens of La Spezia, a verdant oasis in the heart of the city. Here one can find a delightful array of plants and flowers, a testament to Italy's rich biodiversity. From the towering trees providing ample shade to the vibrant flower beds that burst with color, it's a botanical paradise that enchants the senses. And it's not just about the flora. The gardens are alive with activities. You might see families enjoying picnics on the lush lawns, lovers stealing a quiet moment under the shade of a leafy tree, or fitness enthusiasts jogging along the picturesque paths. Perhaps you fancy a leisurely stroll, or are you more inclined towards a brisk walk? Either way, the winding paths of Giardini Pubblici invite exploration at your own pace. The gardens provide a tranquil retreat from the bustling city, offering a chance to reconnect with nature. A visit to the Giardini Pubblici is a breath of fresh air. Our penultimate stop is the bustling Porto Mirabelloo. Now, if you've got a penchant for the high seas, Porto Mirabelloo is a marina that's bound to impress. It's a playground of the opulent, where sleek yachts gracefully bob on the azure waters, each one telling a story of adventure and luxury. But it's not just about the yachts. Porto Mirabelloo is a hive of activity, with a lively atmosphere that's as captivating as the vessels it houses. From leisurely strolls along the dockside to witnessing the fascinating ballet of boats as they maneuver in and out of the marina, there's plenty to keep one entertained. And when it comes to dining, Porto Mirabelloo doesn't disappoint. The port hosts a variety of eateries, each offering a unique gastronomical experience. Whether you're in the mood for a quick bite or a lavish Italian feast, you'll find it here. So, pull up a chair, soak in the views and savor the flavors. Porto Mirabelloo is where luxury meets the sea. Last but not least, we have the Palatinadele Arti and Via del Pione. The Palatinadele Arti is a treasure trove for art enthusiasts, nestled right in the heart of La Spezia. This former school building now houses a collection of contemporary and modern art that will make your heart sing. The exhibitions change regularly, keeping the gallery fresh and vibrant. Now let's saunter over to Via del Pione, a bustling shopping street that's a haven for those who love a good bargain. Here you'll find a delightful blend of high street fashion, local boutiques and charming antique shops. It's the perfect place to hunt for unique souvenirs or simply to window shop and soak in the lively atmosphere. And if your feet start to ache from all the walking, there's no shortage of quaint cafés where you can sit, relax and watch the world go by. The Palatinadele Arti and Via del Pione offer a perfect mix of culture and shopping. And there you have it, the top 10 attractions in La Spezia. We've journeyed through the gateway of Cinque Terre, scaled the walls of Castello Sanio, and strolled along Passeggiata Morin. We've marveled at the art in Museo Civico Amadeo Lear and Palatinadele Arti, and indulged in retail therapy on Via del Pione. We've found solace in the Church of Santa Maria Assunta and tranquility in Giardini Pubblici. La Spezia is waiting to be explored, so pack your bags and embark on an Italian adventure like no other.